Welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge commodity insights. I'm Priya, and today we are unpacking the surprising shifts in the cotton market. With Gujarat prices surging on the back of aggressive CCI moves and international markets holding their breath, where is the textile industry heading next? Let's dive straight into the numbers for our 11th of August evening update. Kicking things off with the domestic front, the spotlight is firmly on Gujarat. Cotton lint prices in the state gained strong momentum this Monday, triggered by a significant price hike from the Cotton Corporation of India (CCI). In the Ahmedabad market, the benchmark 29mm Shankar 6 cotton jumped by 200 rupees, settling between 67,700 and 68,000 rupees per candy. The CCI's bold move to raise selling prices by up to 700 rupees per candy has certainly shaken up the landscape. They recently offloaded 80,800 bales, evenly split between hungry spinning mills and active traders. While Gujarat saw a rally, North India played it cool, holding steady across the board. Spot deliveries in Punjab are hovering between 6,750 and 6,900 rupees per mond, with Haryana trailing closely at 6,575 to 6,600 rupees. In Rajasthan, upper regions are seeing quotes up to 6,900 per mond, while lower Rajasthan quotes stand at 63,000 to 64,000 rupees per candy. A major reason for this stability? Raw cotton arrivals remain critically low, standing at just 3,600 bales across all major producing states. Looking beyond our borders, international markets offer a mixed bag. SIC cotton futures have faced some downward pressure in recent electronic trading, currently hovering near 83.59 cents per pound, as global traders weigh the impact of a shifting US dollar against ongoing weather concerns in key growing regions. Back home, we need to keep a close eye on imports. Remember, the center has waived all customs duties on cotton imports for 5 months starting this past June. Shifting gears to the derivatives market, edible oil prices are feeling the heat globally, pulling domestic cotton wash prices up with them. Gujarat deliveries climbed to 1,655 rupees per 10 kilograms, with similar upticks reported in Akola and Dhule. Cottonseed oil cake is mirroring this stagnation, with limited buying from the animal feed sector keeping prices glued to the 4,350 to 4,700 rupee range across key hubs like Selu, Shegaon, and Jin. Looking ahead, we expect a significant move in the cotton market over the coming month. Will this be a bullish breakout or a bearish trend? For our advanced analysis and trade setups, please get in touch with us. Our contact details plus 9194140560 are available on the screen and in the video description. Thank you for tuning in to Ajay Astro Money Guru. Trade smart, and I'll see you in the next update.